Hello everyone, welcome back. Uh, Today we will be implementing basic connectivity of different network devices. In this activity, first we will perform basic switch configuration. Then we will implement basic connectivity by configuring IP addresses to the switches and the PCs. When the IP addresses configuration is complete, we will use various show commands to verify the configuration, and then we will use the ping command to verify the basic connectivity between the devices. So this is our topology for today's activity. As you can see, we have two switches, and to those two switches we have connected two PCs. Uh, so first we will perform the basic switches configuration. This activity you have already done in the previous lab. So we will click on the switch one, go to the CLI, and then just press enter. So first we will just change the host name of the switch. So we will go to the enable mode, then we will go to the global configuration mode. There we will type the host name is switch S1, right? So you can see that the switch name got changed from switch to S1. Then we will configure the console password. As you might know, we will go to the line console 0 and set password. Let's suppose my password. I'll make it simple, it is just my pass, and then the login keyword. So after this we will just configure the privileged access mode password. To do that, we will just enable secret and then my secret, right? So just to verify it, we will just exit from the CLI mode. So now again we will access the CLI of the switch. So you can see that now it is asking for the user access mode password, so which was my pass. And if we go to the enable mode, again we have set the enable mode password or for user access mode password, which was my secret. So this is how you configure the user access mode password and the privileged access mode password for the switch. So now we can just check the running configuration of the switch. So you can see that okay, the enable secret is already in the encrypted form. But if we check the console password, you can see it is still in the clear text. So anyone, if someone is reading the configuration, so they can see that what is the password of the line console. I have already shown it to you that how you can just encrypt this line console password. So there is a service password encryption, right? So after implementing this command, if again you check the running configuration, so now you can see that the line password is also encrypted. Next, these are just the basic configuration, initial basic configuration of the switch, right? So this is what we are doing for the switch one. Also we can configure the message of the day. You might know that we will go to the global configuration mode. There we will type the banner, then message of the day, and then any character or any special symbol in which you want to enclose your banner, so you can use those characters or symbols. So over here I will be using the double quotes. It means that my message of the day banner will start from the opening double quote. Then I can write that this is a secured system, authorized access only. you can write any message. This is just, for example, I'm writing this message. So if I want to show it again for you, I can just exit it. So over here, if so, you can see the banner message of the day that this is a secure system, authorized access only. So this is the purpose of the MOTD banner. So again, I want to log into the switch. Okay, so this was just the basic configuration for switch 1. The same we will do for the switch 2. Enable, then config key, then I will just write the host name is 2, right? Then I will just go to the line console 0, then it will be password my pass, and then the login keyword, exit from it. Now I will configure the enable or the privileged access mode password by typing the enable secret and then my secret, right? Okay, there is, so if you want to encrypt the password, there is a service password encryption, and the next will be message of the day. So it will be banner message of the day, and then we can write this is a secure system, authorized access only. All right, so make sure you save your configuration, because these current configuration, these are stored in the RAM of the switch. So if you want to store it the NVRAM, so we run the command copy and start. Okay, the same we will perform for the switch 1. We will just copy and start. Okay, so this was just the initial basic configuration of the switches. Okay, in the second part of this activity, now we will configure the PCs. So we will just assign the IP addresses. So we will write, okay, the IP scheme is 192.168.1.1, and then we type the subnet mask. We don't need any kind of default gateway, right? The same would be for the PC2. We go to the desktop and then IP configuration, and our static IP is 192.168.1.2, and this is our default gateway. Okay, now we will ping the switch IP, which is 192.168.1.253 from this PC1, right? So we will just open the command prompt, and then we will start ping the IP address 192.168.1.253. So you can see that we cannot ping that IP, and the reason is obvious, that we haven't assigned this IP to an interface of the switch. So for that, we will just go again to the switch, then we will go to the global configuration mode, then we will say interface, address would be 192.168.1.253. Subnet mask 255.255.0, right? And then we will say no shut. Okay, the same we will do for the switch 2 as well. We will go here, my pass, enable my secret, config t, interface VLAN 1, IP address 192.168.1.254 with the subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and then we will say no shut. Okay, exact, and then exact. Okay, now again we will check if we can ping that IP address or not. Let's see. Okay, now this time we can ping the IP address of the switch, and if we ping the other switch interface which was with .254, so you can see it is also successful. The first packet get lost because in this one it is just checking the which interface has this IP address or where should I forward this packet. And also if I just ping the other PC 192.168.1.2, so I can ping that as well, and the same I can perform from the other PC as well. Ping 192.168.1.1. So you can see we can ping from this switch to from this PC to this PC as well. So I hope you have learned that how we can perform the basic connectivity inside a network. So if you have any question, do ask me, and if you like this video, press the thumbs up button, and if you want to get notification, just subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.